Looking for a grooming kit that covers all your pet's needs? The Ogwind 3PCS Professional Pet Grooming Kit offers exactly that. Whether you have a dog, cat, or horse, this set helps you keep their coat clean, shiny, and healthy, right from your home. It's the perfect gift for pet lovers who want to make grooming simple and effective. What sets this kit apart is the smart combination of tools designed to tackle different grooming challenges. The slicker brush features a self-cleaning mechanism that quickly removes loose hair and dirt with just a push of a button. No more struggling with stuck fur, cleaning the brush is effortless and saves you time. The double-sided pet grooming rake is a standout. One side has 9 teeth to detangle stubborn mats and knots, while the other side has 17 teeth to trim excess hair. This dual design means you can handle tangles and shedding in one tool, making grooming less stressful for both you and your pet. Don't overlook the flea comb included in the set. Its fine teeth are perfect for removing small debris, dandruff, and even fleas and ticks. Regular use helps maintain a tidy coat and keeps your pet comfortable and itch-free. It's a simple step that makes a big difference in your pet's overall health. I've used the Ogwind kit myself, and what really impressed me was how gentle it is on the skin. The tools don't just work well, they also feel comfortable for pets, which makes grooming a more pleasant experience. Plus, the adjustable features mean you can customize the tools to suit your pet's specific coat type. If you're worried about quality, Ogwind backs this grooming kit with a 2-year warranty and offers 24/7 customer support. They're committed to providing safe, practical, and affordable pet products. That kind of confidence in a grooming set speaks volumes about its durability and performance. If that's you, someone who wants a reliable, all-in-one grooming solution, this kit is worth a look. It's designed to save time, reduce hassle, and keep your pet looking and feeling great. Try it when you're ready to upgrade your grooming routine and give your furry friend the care they deserve. Ready to make grooming easier and more effective? The Ogwind 3PCS Professional Pet Grooming Kit delivers everything you need for detangling, deshedding, and flea removal in one convenient set. Keep your pet's coat healthy and shiny while enjoying a smoother grooming process yourself.